Thank you for purchasing from Garbage Commander. Happy to bring these videos of how to install our products.
David here with Garbage Commander to show you and talk to you about the SRS. This is the single can receiver slide-in. So basically what we're going to do is you're going to slide this in at a slight angle past the receiver hole. You're going to take your receiver pin, slide it in. Don't forget to take your cotter pin or whatever type of device that you're using for your receiver pin and lock that into place. It's as easy as that. Next step, you're going to take your trash can by tilting it down, go past the little hook, slide it back into place. Once that's done, it's easy, pin it, and you are set to go. If you run into a little situation, the unit that you purchased does not have any adjustability, and this spacing here is 2.5 inches, which has to accept your trash can. Your trash can should have a smaller knuckle than that. What you can also get is what we call our MT kit. This is going to allow you to have an 8-inch or 9-inch to 6-inch spread, depending on where you put your hooks. Now this is going to allow you to hook that into a lot different hook or trash can than say the single one. If you have 2 trash cans, another option that you have is our can coupler. This simply goes on to your receiver on your trash can, the front loop here. Take your other trash can, slide that around, get it all pinned, and you're set to go. Thank you for checking out our videos at garbagecommander.com.
Only at Garbage Commander.